Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back for another video. I realize I've not posted a video in a long time, and I do apologize for that. This video is all about grounding and releasing. The first thing we're going to talk about is grounding. Grounding is important because it centers us, balances us, and allows us to start fresh on a level playing field, so to speak. Releasing is to let go of what does not serve us. This allows us to free ourselves from the toxic yuckies we might be building up or holding on to. So I'm going to guide you through both the grounding and releasing. If you do not have time at this moment, no worries, the video will be available for later use. So let's get right into this. So the first thing we're going to do is turn off all distractions. If you're using your phone, then set it to do not disturb mode. All phones have this feature these days, and it will allow you to use the listening without allowing any ringing or notifications. Just don't forget to turn it off when we are finished. You can virtually do grounding anywhere, but if you are just beginning, then I'm going to suggest doing it in a quiet space where you will not be interrupted. One last thing before we go into how to do this. It is best if you can do it outside with your feet bare to the ground. But if you can't, no worries. This can be performed inside your home, but you do want to have your shoes off. All right, now that you have your space, let's get comfortable. Stand with your feet slightly apart and let your arms hang down. Relax as best as you can. Now, tilt your head back slightly with your eyes closed and roll your neck around. Just roll your neck around and let go of some of that stress and tension. Roll your shoulders back and really let's loosen them up. We want to be nice and relaxed for this. Now close your eyes and tilt your head back to find a comfortable position. Breathe in deeply through your nose and slowly out through your mouth. Again, in through your nose deeply, out through your mouth slowly. Relax a little bit more. Breathe in deeply through your nose, slowly out through your mouth. As you continue to breathe in deeply, you're feeling Mother Earth's energy just a little bit closer to you. As you breathe out slowly, you're listening for her heartbeat. Continue breathing in and out. With each breath, you start to feel that connection with Mother Earth as your energy reaches for hers and hers for you. In deeply, out slowly, and with each breath, you feel her more and more. And you can hear that strong beat of the earth's heart. In deeply, out slowly, each breath bringing that connection stronger and that beating sound of the heart a little bit louder. In deeply, out slowly, and Mother Earth's energy is completely surrounding you. While you're standing and breathing her in, you notice a light touch on your feet. It is a soft and comforting touch. You continue to breathe in deeply, out slowly. It is now winding around your feet, up your ankles, and around the bottom of your calves. You breathe in deeply and out slowly. You feel very connected and centered. Now you notice a brilliant golden light that starts to flow downward. Your eyes are still closed, but you can feel this light coming closer and closer. You can see it behind your eyelids as things start to really become brilliant. It is a very beautiful golden light. You breathe in deeply through your nose, slowly out of your mouth. And you just think about all of those negative thoughts and feelings you have inside of you. And you start to really just push them down. And as you do so, that brilliant white light starts to fill up your body. It starts coming into your head, down your face, into your neck, across your shoulders, down each arm. You feel the energy. It's tingly and feels refreshing out through your fingers as this light is just filling your body up. You breathe in deeply through your nose, out slowly through your mouth, and you realize this light is now moving down your torso, past your chest and your heart, down into your stomach, and it is really just shoving that yucky, toxic, negative thinking, feelings, and energy down. Now it's into both legs. Your whole body is just shining brilliantly with this golden light all the way down your legs to meet the vines, down your ankle, out your feet, and all that yucky, black, negative, toxic energy, feelings, and thoughts are being absorbed into the vines and into the ground to be recycled by Mother Earth. You're breathing in deeply through your nose, slowly out through your mouth. Your body is now completely shining brilliance. You're feeling lighter, refreshed, and renewed, and never have you felt such an amazing connection with Mother Earth as you do while returning the energy for her to recycle and renew. Now that you're just standing there filled with a brilliant light, you're just going to breathe in deeply through your nose and out slowly through your mouth. And as you do, you feel the vines unwind from your calves and ankles and feet and move back into the ground. The light starts to dull just a little bit, and you open your eyes and you feel light, refreshed, and renewed. Okay, my beautiful souls, I hope you enjoyed the video. That was my take on grounding, releasing, and a guided meditation. I do hope you're able to utilize it, and I also hope you have a very blessed day.